Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to second episode of Weaving Hands with Amit. Hope you enjoyed my first episode and you got your replies for the basic questions which you asked regarding the rugs and carpets. So today we have selected some specific questions and we would be addressing those questions. So today I have Ananya with me who would be asking the questions. So Ananya, can we have the questions please?
The first question is, what is the history of rugs in India?
In India, rugs basically were started in mid 15th century and they were brought to India by Mughals. And during that period, the rugs were made for their palaces only. So later in 16th century, 17th century or 18th century, this art was being kept within the palaces, or it was the beauty of rich people over there. Later on in 19th century, after the independence, this rug business got commercialized and we got popular in many of the countries. So this is the basic history of Indian rugs. So can we have the second question?
The second question is, are rugs and carpets only handmade? What materials are used?
No, rugs and carpets are not only handmade. Yeah, certainly like earlier they were only handmade, but later on, if you know, like in US or UK, they were the technologies through which by machines they were making the carpets to make it more cheaper and more commercialized. So basically the rugs and carpets are made by hand as well as by machines. And if you talk about the material used in handmade carpets you can use any kind of natural material or as well as like man-made materials, synthetic fibers like polyester, acrylic, nylon, etc. And in natural materials you can count wool, jute, cotton, viscose, all these materials. So can we have our next question, Ananya?
The third question is, which material is better, synthetic or natural materials?
Certainly, I would say natural materials are far more better than the synthetic materials. In machine-made carpets are mainly made by synthetic materials. In machine-made carpets, natural materials are not being used because they are not very much strong. And as you know, like machine requires a very strong fiber, which are basically man-made fibers like polyester and acrylic fibers. These are certainly the strong fibers, but they are not very much good for human health. So if you ask for my suggestion, I would say like the natural materials like wool, jute, cotton, these are the good materials for us. So can we have our last question, Ananya?
The fourth question is, how much time does it take to make various carpets?
It normally depends how much time a carpet will take because each technique, if you remember last time I told you, there are hand knotted carpets, hand tufted carpets, woven carpets, flat weave rugs. So all different rugs have a different cycle to make the rug. So if I talk about in general terms, like a normal, if you say a normal room size carpet, which should be around 5 feet by 8 feet, it will be made between 3 days to between 6 months, depending upon the technique we choose. The maximum time would be taken in hand knotted and the minimum time would be taken in hand loom or hand tufted. Thank you very much. So these are the questions which we have selected, and you can post your more questions, or if you have any query regarding your business, you need some tips, I would be very much happy to help you up. So you can see my numbers over here, you can WhatsApp to us, or even you can email to me, or you can write on our social media platforms. So by this, signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.